and girls. I hope you all are doing well. Right now I'm in my backyard and I wanted to point out to you the shed. And does anybody remember what lives under the shed? It's our pet groundhog. He hasn't made his appearance yet that we've seen, but I can't remember what we named him. If you could remember what name we gave the groundhog, would you please send me a message on its learning? Anyway, I do want to show you something cool that is happening in my backyard right now. So if you look right here, this is a bluebird box. And I'm going to open it up and show it to you because we have some baby eggs in here. But first I'd like to tap on it to make sure Mom and Dad aren't in the box. And we carefully open. And we see the nest. You count how many eggs you see in there? I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 baby bluebird eggs in there. And if you look at the nest, the mom makes the nest, and the nest is made out of grass and pine straw. So then we close it back up. Anyway, these eggs will be in there for about, what'd I say, 13 to 17 days. And I know we're on at least day 3. So maybe within the next week and a half, they will hatch and become babies. And then the babies are in there, I believe, another 2 weeks before they fly away. So what's interesting is Mom and Dad both take care of the babies. And we will try and find a video or a picture of the Mom and Dad because they do not go very far. So anyway, boys and girls, tune in every day and I'll at least send you a video or a picture of what's happening with our baby bluebirds. Bye!